Good day everyone. We are presenting our project titled Tower Defense Enemy Spawner. This project demonstrates the four pillars of object-oriented programming in Java, with emphasis on polymorphism and also shows the use of asynchronous programming through multi-threading. Our project simulates an enemy spawner in a tower defense game. Enemies are created at fixed time intervals, and each enemy type has different behavior. The main goal is to demonstrate OOP concept and asynchronous execution.
Time spawning, multiple enemy types, and dynamic behavior using polymorphism. The spawner runs in a separate thread so the program does not block while enemies are being created. Abstraction is implemented using the abstract enemy class. It defines what an enemy is, but not how it attacks. This allows subclasses to provide their own implementations. We implemented asynchronous programming by extending the thread class. The enemy spawner runs independently and uses thread sleep to delay enemy creation, simulating real-time spawning in games.
Inheritance is shown through fast enemy and tank enemy, which both extend the enemy class. This allows us to reuse code and create a clear class hierarchy. This slide shows polymorphism, which is the main focus of our project. We use an enemy reference to point to different enemy objects. When attack is called, Java decides at runtime which method to execute.
Encapsulation is applied by controlling access to data, enemy attributes are protected, and interaction happens only through methods, ensuring safe and organized code. One challenge was understanding how threads work. We solved this by carefully controlling execution using threads that sleep. Another challenge was applying polymorphism, which we address using abstract classes and method overriding. Through this project, we learned how the four pillars of OOP work together and how polymorphism allows flexible and scalable designs. We also learned how asynchronous programming improves realism in applications like games.
Abstract. This project is a tower defense-inspired Java application that demonstrates object-oriented programming principles and asynchronous execution. Enemy spawning is handled using multi-threading, allowing enemies to appear at time intervals. The system applies abstraction through an abstract enemy class, inheritance via specialized enemy types, encapsulation through controlled data access, and polymorphism. Through dynamic method overriding, the project highlights how OOP and concurrency can be combined to create interactive and scalable programs. Thank you for listening. All questions are welcome.